Finished with your workout, dear? What are you reading?
Mama, I'm reading this post-workout self-care guide. It's all about how to deal with muscle soreness, especially for beginners. It suggests using hot or cold packs. But I'm thinking, what if someone don't have a hot or cold pack at home? Is there another way?
Absolutely, dear. I know a simple and affordable DIY heat pack trick we can make at home.
Really, Mama? What is it? I'd love to share it on social media so that others can benefit too.
Sure, dear. We can make a heat pack using rock salt. It's an age-old remedy for muscle soreness, pains, and sprains. Some people use rice, but rock salt is very effective. Here's how you do it. Take some rock salt and dry roast it on low flame until it's very well heated. Keep stirring the salt while heating. Once it's hot, put the salt in a sock or cloth and tie it up to make a pouch. Use this pouch as a heat pack on sore muscles.
Wow, Mama, that's a fantastic hack. What are the benefits of using rock salt?
Rock salt's mineral properties help soothe muscles and joints, boost blood flow to painful areas, and release muscle tension.
That's amazing, Mama. Thank you so much for sharing this. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe Motherly Methods for more.